Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat2. I'm like the devlog of the Mat2. Okay, so there were, as I said, like questions that we have to answer, and then the questions were good. Uh, like many of them were like very good. Like that's an amazing experience. Then we had to create a game as in game jam game. So like there was themes, like four themes, and I choose do not harm. So that's the theme I chose, and I created a game. So let me show you the game. Okay, so here we go. I will play the game. uh, Actually it has only four levels and linear progression system, but uh, it's a game. Okay, game based on that do not harm. So what happens in the game actually is you do have the option to harm, but if you do harm, like if you harm, then you lose. So that's the thing. Okay, so let me play. Okay, so it's the first level just to teach the movements how to move kind of thing. Okay, uh, then I said okay, this is the second level. So it's actually teaches you what you need to do in the game. So it's again like a turn based game. uh, okay, right, I complete the level. Then again now here comes the third. Like it this level will teach me what is the use of the that power token. Okay, so I can gain it and then I can kill the dog. Like when he attacks, tries to attack you or touches you, he dies if you have the power up. So that's the thing. Then if I complete the level, it says you failed because you killed the dog. And okay, yes, there is also a thing. You will die uh, if he catches you three times, and then you will fail the level. Okay, then again, now let's play again. I'm dead. Okay. Okay, and this is the last level. Like it has no instructions and stuff. All you have to do is like you can choose what you want to do. But again, if you kill the dog, then you lose. If you die, you lose. So like it's a kind of a simple uh, situation. Like you can kill the dog, you can harm them, but you must not. So that's the only point of the game. Okay, I guess this is it for Mat 2. Thank you.